Welcome to my review of Redmine, the popular open-source project management tool. If you're looking for a solution to streamline team collaboration, manage projects, or track issues, this might be the tool for you. In this video, I'll be taking you through everything you need to know about Redmine. Let's start with the interface. When you first log in, you'll be greeted by a clean, user-friendly dashboard. The design is fairly minimalistic, with clear navigation on the left-hand side, where you'll find all the main features such as projects, issues, documents, and time tracking. Redmine does have a bit of a learning curve at first, but once you get used to it, it's a very flexible tool. One of the core features is issue tracking, which is very robust. You can create issues, assign them to team members, set priorities, and track progress all from one central place. Redmine also supports custom fields, which is useful for tailoring the tool to your team's specific needs. Now, let's talk about project management. With Redmine, you can create multiple projects, each with its own set of issues, timelines, and milestones. It also integrates with version control systems like Git and Subversion, making it ideal for development teams. Additionally, you can set up different roles for your team members, from administrators to regular users, ensuring proper access control across the board. Another notable feature of Redmine is its flexibility with plugins. The community has developed a wide range of plugins that extend its functionality, from enhanced reporting tools to support for various project methodologies. This is where Redmine stands out. It's highly customizable, which makes it appealing for teams of all sizes and industries. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so make sure to check them out after watching. Overall, Redmine is an excellent choice if you're looking for a powerful, open-source project management tool. Its customizable features, solid issue tracking, and integration options make it a great fit for development teams, IT projects, and even non-tech teams. While the learning curve might be a bit steep at first, the flexibility and functionality it offers are well worth it. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and insights into the best tools for project management. Thanks for watching.